Hi, my name is Andy Holmgreen, and we are going to be talking today about instructional materials used in the classroom. And in this particular classroom, we are working on math, multiplication, facts, and reducing fractions. And oftentimes we have students with a learning disability with math calculations. And so learning and memorizing basic math facts can be very difficult for them. And as I teach middle school, as we continue to see these students grow and the skills get a little bit more complex, making those simple mistakes on the basic math facts can really mess them up. And so what we've done is we introduced the multiplication table, which you may or may not have seen before, but we made it where we could actually reuse ours. And so we just have it in a little pocket where they can use a whiteboard marker and actually be able to write on it and wipe it off and reuse. And so, for instance, what they would do is if they were looking for 4 times 2, they would find the factors 4 and 2, and then just where they would line up and come together would be their answer. And so they can circle it or just use their fingers, but we often like to have them use the whiteboard marker to make sure that it, lines up correctly, because sometimes they can get off on their lines. And then just take a wipe and clean it up, and then you're good to go for the next one. We've also used it to introduce reducing fractions, and so this is a great way for them to use that. And so same thing, if you had a fraction of maybe 5/15, they could circle those numbers, and then they will just follow it over to the ones column, and then that will let them know that it is simplified all the way down to 1/3, and that's as far as it will go down. We really like these, that kids can reuse them over and over, and we've also introduced a big one. As they start to get older, they can use this one as well. Thank you.